Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be taking it right back to the basics and talking about how to brush your teeth. There's lots of different toothbrushes out there which we will be talking about in another video, and we will also talk about different toothpastes and mouthwashes and that sort of thing. But today we're going to be talking about the physical act of brushing your teeth. So the guidelines say that we should brush our teeth twice a day for at least 2 minutes. One of those times should be just before bed, and then it can be any other time of day. Most people brush in the morning and in the evening. In the evening, if you can do 4 minutes, it is a little bit better, just so that you're getting rid of all the bacteria before you go to sleep. The worst time to brush your teeth is after you've had food, because what happens is your mouth goes into an acidic state when you eat, and what that does is it softens the top layer of the teeth, which is called the enamel, and you don't want to be brushing soft enamel. So it takes about half an hour for the enamel to harden again, so you shouldn't be brushing in that half an hour after you've eaten. If you want to have a freshen up after you've eaten, then chewing gum, sugar-free chewing gum or mouthwashes can help. So I've got a couple of models that I'm going to demonstrate on. This is the correct size, but it's a bit difficult for you to see, so I'm going to be using a bit of a bigger tooth block here, and I'm just going to be using my toothbrush, which is what I use, which is just a bamboo one, a manual bamboo one. I do have an electric one which I will show you, but I've left my charger at work and during lockdown I can't go and get it, so that's why I'm just using a manual one. When you're brushing your teeth, what you want to do is really concentrate on what you're doing. You want to spend that full 2 minutes actually brushing your teeth, not walking around the house thinking about what you're having for dinner, thinking about what you're doing at work. You want to look in the mirror and really look at what you're doing. When people have been studied brushing their teeth, most people brush for about 40 to 50 seconds and think they've done 2 minutes. So the first thing is to get a timer, because 2 minutes is actually quite a long time when you stood there brushing. So time on your phone or an egg timer or something like that. So when you're brushing, what you're wanting to do is actually get your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle. So if you're coming in this way, you're wanting to get it so that it's, let's see if that focuses, so that it's at the gum line and it's down there. Okay, I'm going to come this way, it's a little bit easier, so it's like that. And if you're using a manual toothbrush, what you want to do is just small circular motions, so that you don't want forwards and backwards, you don't want up and down, you want small circular motions so that you're disturbing that plaque, which is on the teeth. Do small circular motions and you come all the way around. And you do 1 minute for the bottom teeth and 1 minute for the top teeth. And once you've come around this side, you go across the tops like that. Make sure you get the tops of these teeth. Two areas that most people miss when they brush, and that's the corners of the mouth. So this bit here and this bit here, depending on if you're right-handed or left-handed, and also the inside of the bottom teeth where the tongue is. So inside this bit here. If you're right-handed, you can brush your left hand side really, really well. And then when you're coming back, because you're coming back this side, you're missing this corner here. So what you're wanting to do is just be aware of it and don't skip round. You want to go, if you're coming left to right, go round, brush like this, then flip back over, but come forward a little bit and then you won't miss it. Get this bit down here, which is under the tongue. It can be a little bit difficult if you suffer with gagging. It's because it's where the tongue sits. Some people feel like they can't push their tongue out of the way. There are a couple of things which can help. They sound really silly, but they do work. The main one that I found work with my patients is standing on one foot. What that does is the brain has to decide if it's going to fall over or if it's going to gag, and it would rather not fall over, so it diverts the attention to keeping the balance. I find that one works quite well. The other two main ones are pressure points. So where your chin is here, just below your lip. If you're right-handed, you use your left hand because you'll be brushing with your right hand. You put your thumb here and you push down. And as you push down, you push your chin down and you brush. And that loosens the muscles in the neck, and it can help with not gagging. The other one is to hold your earlobe or the top of the ear here. These are two pressure points, and you can either do it on the same side or the opposite side, depending how complex you want to get it. Another good tip is use a child's toothbrush, because they tend to be quite small to get into that area. If you're going to be using an electric toothbrush, then you do exactly the same thing as a manual, except you don't move the toothbrush round and round. Hold the toothbrush on and move it round like that. So that's it really, how to brush your teeth. The only other thing is that once you've brushed your teeth, make sure you're spitting the toothpaste out and you are not rinsing after you've brushed your teeth. The toothpaste has got something called fluoride in, and fluoride can help strengthen the teeth. However, it takes at least half an hour for the fluoride to actually be absorbed into the teeth. So if you're rinsing with mouthwash or water, or if you're putting your toothbrush back under the tap and going round again, then you're going to be washing the toothpaste off. It's a bit like if you put hand cream on your hands and wash your hands. So the message is spit, but don't rinse. So spit any excess toothpaste out, leave the toothpaste on the teeth. If you've got any questions, just pop it in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them. I have got some links to the products that I use in the description box, but we will go through those in more detail. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a good day. See you later. Bye.